Today, we're looking at the ZKTOOL rear trailing control arm bushing and ball joint removal tool set, made specifically for BMW models like the E36, E46, E38, E39, and E60. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. For technical reasons, I can't include a live demonstration or unboxing, so we'll go through everything in a detailed screen overview to see whether this toolkit is really worth your attention.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The ZK Toolkit is designed for one main job: pressing out and installing rear trailing arm bushings and ball joints on several BMW chassis without having to remove the entire control arm assembly. It's a purpose-built solution for enthusiasts and workshop mechanics who want to save time and avoid paying dealership labor costs. The set typically includes heavy-duty steel components, threaded rods, press cups, and adapters that fit BMW suspension geometry. The overall idea is to help you complete bushing or joint replacements cleanly and safely without damaging the arm or the new parts. Looking at the design, the ZK tool set uses a solid steel construction with a black oxide or zinc finish to resist corrosion. The threadettes feel sturdy enough for moderate workshop use, though some users note that the rods and nuts could benefit from additional lubrication to prevent binding under load. The machining quality varies slightly between sets, but most reviewers agree that it fits properly on E36 to E60 series cars. The press cups align well with OEM bushing sizes, and the included adapters help keep things centered during installation. The biggest advantage of this kit is convenience. Instead of removing the entire suspension arm and using a hydraulic press, you can do the job directly on the car. That's a huge time saver, especially for DIY mechanics working from a home garage. It also reduces the chance of alignment issues after reassembly. On the downside, the process still requires patience and some mechanical skill. If threads are misaligned, the tool can jam or strip. Some owners suggest using a wrench and a ratchet combo rather than an impact gun to avoid cross-threading. In terms of compatibility, the ZK tool fits a wide range of BMWs, the popular 3, 5, and 7 series from the late 1990s through mid-2000s. That includes the E36 and E46 generations of the 3 Series, the E39 5 Series, the E38 7 Series, and the E60 platform. The design takes into account BMW's typical trailing arm bushing layout, which uses a press-fit rubber mount to absorb road vibration. Replacing that part can be frustrating without a dedicated kit, and this is where ZK Tool's value really shows. One important point is safety. Even though the steel looks durable, it's essential to check the threads and lubricate all moving parts before applying force. Over-torquing can bend or strip the hardware. For professionals who do this often, a hydraulic bushing press might still be more efficient. But for one-off or occasional use, ZK Tool is an affordable and effective choice. Build quality is decent for the price range. It's not Snap-on level, but definitely above the no-name kits that often fail mid-job. The threads are coarse enough to handle pressure, and the press adapters line up consistently with BMW bushings. The storage case is simple but keeps all components organized, which is helpful if you plan to transport the kit between jobs. Overall, the ZK Tool rear trailing control arm bushing and ball joint removal tool set is a solid choice for BMW owners who like to maintain their own vehicles. It's not flawless, the metal could be slightly thicker and some finishing imperfections exist, but it performs the core task reliably. For a tool priced well below professional alternatives, it provides real value and functionality. If you regularly work on BMW suspension components, this set is a practical investment that pays for itself after just 1 or 2 repairs. If you're considering doing your own suspension refresh, remember to always work safely, support the vehicle securely, clean the parts before pressing, and torque everything according to BMW specs. A little preparation goes a long way toward avoiding damaged bushings or crooked installs. That wraps up the overview of the ZKTOOL bushing removal kit. If this review helped you understand whether it's right for your garage,